683 Heavy Omaha ground, runway 14 taxi at Golf Whiskey.
Southwest 5234, visual 14 right.
Southwest 5234, stand by. Southwest 5234, Omaha Tower, wind 2105, runway 14 right, clear to land.
14 right, clear to land, Southwest 5234.
Oh, that was smooth. Our green. Full throttle. Climbing and climbing.
RV0 Kilo Mike, maintain VFR below 3,500, fly heading 200.
At or below 3,000. Heading 200, RV90 Kilo Mike.
Hey Tower, QPS 683 Heavy, ready for departure.
QPS 683 Heavy, roger, hold short, runway 14 right.
Hold short, 14 right, QPS 683 Heavy.
RV0 Kilo Mike, climb departure 120.1.
120.1, have a good night. Omaha departure, RV980 Kilo Mike, 2,000 feet.
Call approach again.
RV980 Kilo Mike, out of Eppley, 2,200 feet.
RV0 Kilo Mike, squawk 02, correction, RV0 Kilo Mike, roger, radar contact, almost limiter 293, what altitude do you want to work at?
3,000 feet, RV980 Kilo Mike.
RV0 Kilo Mike, can you do 3,500?
3,500, RV980 Kilo Mike.
RV0 Kilo Mike, maintain VFR at 3,500.
VFR 3,500, RV980 Kilo Mike.
TBM 0 Victor Mike, contact Omaha Tower 132.1.
32.1, Victor Mike.
Area back 164, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Area 2562, send maintain 3,000. Area back 164, radar service terminated, squawk VFR, frequency change approved. Cessna 2 Delta Alpha, Lincoln Airport, 12 o'clock, 10 miles. Over 2 Delta Alpha, cleared visual approach, runway 17, contact Lincoln Tower, 118.5. American 2562, Omaha Airport, 10 o'clock, 10 miles. American 2562, present heading until turning final, cleared visual approach, runway 18. Aztec 6 Romeo Charlie, on departure, radar contact, altitude your discretion, proceed on course to DePage. American 2562, reduced to final approach speed, contact Omaha Tower 132.1. South 493 Omaha approach, descend and maintain 6,000, expect visual approach runway 18.
Approach, RV980 Kilo Mike. I've completed the orbits around the city. I'm going direct to Millard.
RV0 Kilo Mike, direct Millard about the field and maintain 3,500.
Direct Millard will advise 2,500, RV980 Kilo Mike.
Southwest 493 Omaha approach, descend and maintain 5,000. Richard 5832 Omaha approach, descend and maintain 6,000 and plan on the visual 18. UPS 683 Heavy, Omaha departure, radar contact line, maintain 1. Alright, thanks.